South Carolina stands as a prime location for travel due to its plethora of attractions and experiences that cater to a wide range of interests. With its stunning coastal areas, visitors can bask in the sun on pristine beaches, indulge in water sports, or explore charming seaside towns. The state's rich history is on display in its historic cities such as Charleston, where captivating architecture, museums, and cultural festivals offer a glimpse into the past. Welcome back to the Travel Guide. In today's video, we will be highlighting South Carolina and everything it has to offer. Things to do: explore historic Charleston. Immerse yourself in the captivating history of Charleston, South Carolina's oldest and most picturesque city. Stroll along the cobblestone streets of the historic district, admire the well-preserved architecture of the pastel-colored houses, and visit iconic landmarks like Fort Sumter and the Battery. Delve into the city's rich cultural heritage by exploring the renowned museums such as the Charleston Museum, indulge in delicious Southern cuisine at local restaurants, and experience the charm and hospitality that Charleston is renowned for. Relax at Myrtle Beach, a popular vacation destination with its vast stretch of sandy beaches. Take a leisurely stroll along the bustling boardwalk lined with shops, restaurants, and amusement parks. Adventure seekers can try their hand at water sports like jet skiing or embark on a deep-sea fishing excursion. Don't miss the chance to catch a mesmerizing sunrise or sunset over the Atlantic Ocean, creating an unforgettable backdrop. Hike in Congaree National Park. Discover the untamed wilderness of Congaree National Park, a hidden gem nestled in the heart of South Carolina. Lace up your hiking boots and explore the park's diverse ecosystem, characterized by towering ancient trees, tranquil creeks, and lush swamplands. Traverse the well-maintained trails that offer opportunities for wildlife spotting and birdwatching. Visit Magnolia Plantation and Gardens. Step back in time and explore the enchanting Magnolia Plantation and Gardens near Charleston. This historic plantation, dating back to the 17th century, offers visitors a glimpse into the antebellum era. Take a guided tour of the plantation house, adorned with period furnishings and artwork, and stroll through the meticulously landscaped gardens, boasting vibrant blooms and serene ponds. Discover the Upcountry in Greenville. Head to Greenville, located in the Upcountry region of South Carolina, and immerse yourself in its vibrant culture and natural beauty. Explore Falls Park on the Reedy, a picturesque urban oasis featuring a stunning waterfall, scenic walking paths, and beautifully landscaped gardens. Wander through the Greenville's charming downtown lined with shops, art galleries, and local eateries. Transportation options. Transportation options in South Carolina are varied and convenient. The state is well connected by an extensive network of highways, making road trips a popular choice for exploring its diverse regions. Rental cars are readily available, providing flexibility and ease of travel. For those flying into South Carolina, major airports in cities like Charleston, Columbia, and Greenville-Spartanburg offer domestic and international flights. Places to stay. South Carolina offers a range of accommodation options to suit every traveler's preferences, from luxury resorts and boutique hotels to cozy bed and breakfasts and budget-friendly motels. There is a lodging choice for every taste and budget. In popular tourist destinations like Charleston and Myrtle Beach, you'll find an abundance of beachfront resorts and charming historic inns. Best time to visit. The best times to visit South Carolina largely depend on personal preferences and desired activities. Spring from March to May offer pleasant weather with blooming flowers and festivals such as the Charleston Wine and Food Festival. Summer from June to August is popular for beach vacations and outdoor activities, but be prepared for higher temperatures and humidity. Fall from September to November brings milder weather, vibrant foliage, and events like the South Carolina State Fair. Winter from December to February offers fewer crowds and mild temperatures, making it a great time to explore historic sites and enjoy cultural events. South Carolina truly encapsulates the essence of Southern hospitality, natural splendor, and historical significance, making it a captivating destination for travelers. Whether wandering through its cobblestone streets, indulging in its diverse culinary delights, or immersing oneself in its stunning landscapes, the Palmetto State leaves an indelible impression. With that, we've reached the end of our video. To see a list of our favorite and most useful travel gadgets, check the link in the description. We hope you enjoyed our travel guide showcasing all that South Carolina has to offer.
If you've enjoyed our video, check out these other recent videos from the travel guide. And be sure to subscribe and ring the bell to be notified about our latest videos.